let me show you how to fix Discord not opening on mobile. Now, if you're not able to use or open the Discord app on your iPhone or Android, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing, if Discord is open on your iPhone or Android, we're going to close out of it completely. So just swipe up and close out of that Discord app. And we're going to check to see if there's an issue with Discord themselves. So open up a web browser, Safari or Chrome, it doesn't really matter. And on here, we're just going to type in, is Discord down? And you'll be able to see at the very top is your Discord status. So just go here and check to see if everything is operational. It should say everything is operational and that there aren't any current incidents. You can see at the top, all systems are operational. If something is down, then of course that's the reason why Discord is not opening or loading for you. The next thing we're going to check to see if you have a good internet connection. So just go to fast.com here, fast.com, and you'll be able to see 280-ish megabytes per second. If you have anything over 10 megabytes per second, you'll be good to go in terms of your internet speed to run Discord. However, if it's still not working, let's open up that settings app on your iPhone or Android, and we're going to go through the process of clearing the cache for the app and force updating it. So go to your general settings here and then tap on iPhone storage. You'll be able to see within your iPhone storage, it will show you all of your apps. You're just going to scroll down until you find Discord on this list. And let me keep scrolling down and find Discord there. Now, all I'm going to do is offload this app and reinstall it. This works for the iPhone, but if you have an Android phone, you're just going to clear the cache and clear the storage for that app. The nice thing is it force updates the Discord app to the latest version. After you've done that, you should be able to open it up and it should work normally, load up for you normally, etc.